Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today, I am going to tell you about the chaotic Saturday that I had. So I'm going to talk about my daily routine on a day that was a bit busier than usual. And I'm going to use slow English to talk about that, so that if you are shadowing or if you are just learning the language from scratch, or if you just want to make sure that you understand every word, then this video will be perfect for you. On Saturday, I had a really busy day, and I knew that I had a lot of things planned for that day, but I didn't realize how tired I would be by the end of it. So in the morning, I got up, had a shower, made sure that the kids were dressed, that we all had breakfast, and then we left the house at about 8:30 to go to another town about 35 minutes drive to a football game for my son. So my son is learning to play football and he wanted to go to this town, to this club to learn. So we went there. The rain was lashing, absolutely lashing. Really wet day. So here in Ireland, when we have very heavy rain, we say it is lashing. When the rain is just a little bit, like gentle rain, we say it's drizzle or light rain. But this particular day, it was, the heavens were opening. The rain was lashing down on him as he was playing football with his friends. It was really not the best time for him to start going to this football club. But the coach said that if he can enjoy this session on this day, then there will be no problems ever. He will be able to go to any other football game, because if he survived this, he will survive any game. And I felt so sorry for my son outside for 90 minutes running in the rain. I stayed in the car, but he was outside running around all morning. So after the game, I took my kids for a hot chocolate and some cake to get some sugar and some energy and some warmth after the busy morning. And then we had to go to another town about almost 1 hour's drive away for my daughter to go horse riding. So we spent the next couple of hours driving or at horse riding. And when horse riding was finished, we had to drive another hour in the other direction to go to a birthday party for one of my daughter's friends. So it felt like most of that day I was driving in opposite directions. I would go here and then here and then here, all day just driving. I suppose when you have children, this is quite common, and you end up spending most of your day on the road. And it was really nice for them to be able to do their activities, for my daughter to be able to attend the birthday party. But at the end of the day, I just wanted takeaway food and an early night. Normally my Saturdays are a lot calmer, and I have more time to do my chores at home and things like this. But on this particular day, I didn't get anything done at home. I was just too busy going from A to B to C and back to A again. Tell me about your weekends. Are your weekends normally busy, or do you have time to relax? Maybe you work at the weekends. Tell me a little bit about your weekend in the comments, and I will make corrections if I see any mistakes. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.